Hi friends, I have a good news for you. If you want to learn Ansible, there is a new resource in the market. The second edition of a Learn Ansible book by Pact, written by Russ McKendrick, catch my attention, especially because I'm part of a technical review of this book. But let me show you something from the inside. The table of content is very accurate, and I would say that it's written from a technical DevOps for a technical DevOps. It starts from the basic about Ansible, the history and the basic command, and then it evolves rapidly into how to write a playbook. I really like that it's giving an example, practical example, how to deploy the popular WordPress, the framework to create a lot of websites, especially on the Azure cloud. And there are a lot of details, especially how you can capitalize on external module and plenty of example. I really like Russ is putting so many interesting code inside this book. But let me show you something that, as you can see, is not only boring part of reading some text, there is plenty of example and plenty of screenshot. I really like because his style is very colloquial, and I think that you can relate very easy to him, especially when he's giving example of the best practice how to actually improve your code. This is a second edition, so it's a book that was already on the market but was outdated with more section, especially in cloud provider area. I really like because it is very up to date and very modern, and you really understand the best of the Ansible technology. There is a section about Windows, section about how to interact with some networking module. Well, I give you just a taste because Ansible is so vast, as we know, but is the real taste that you can appreciate, especially because all the examples are available in a GitHub repo, so you can download and test by yourself, as well as you can see also it's very viewable. If you're reading on a screen or your computer, you can easily jump from one section to another and copy and paste this code. I really like that it's putting a lot of emphasis also on quality assurance of our code and our deployment, and how we can optimize our workflow. So the book is very extensive. I just wanted to give a quick shout because I think that this book will be very relevant for many professionals that are working nowadays with type of solution. It does include so much about the Ansible automation platform, but there is so much mentioning about other book, and I really like that there are suggestions of follow-ups. For example, this Ansible for Real Life Automation by Ginesh, that I think is very good one. So let me wrap together. This is nearly 400 pages of example code and experiment. So good shout to Russ, and I think that this book will be very interesting for every professional that are approaching Ansible or they would like to upskill about the latest edition on the market. Thank you so much, and see you on the next adventure. Bye!